So the first thing you're going to do is file or trim your nails. And I'd rather keep my length, so I'm just going to file my nails. So after you're done filing your nails, you're going to take a thin nail file and go under your nail and just clean it out. Now you're going to take a very fine grit nail file and just scratch on top of your nail in a circular motion. This is to remove the shine off of your nail and allow the nail glue to stick a lot better so that the nail lasts longer. Okay, so now you're going to open the packet, take out your nail sizes. Now to actually glue the nails. I start from the smallest to the largest nail. So we're going to open up our glue and drop a tiny bead. Press and hold for at least 10 seconds until it's fully dry. If there's any glue on the side of the nail, I'd take a stick and just wipe that up as quickly as possible because it can be kind of hard to get off of your nail. Okay, so now you're going to take some sharp scissors and the nail file, and you're going to cut the nail to your desired length, or you can just file off the little tip. So obviously I'm already struggling with these nails, so I am gonna cut them a little bit shorter. I'm kind of eyeballing it and then cutting it a little bit above the length that I actually want. That way I can file it down to the desired length and have a little leeway in case I messed up. So on this side I'm just gonna match them up. Thank you guys so much for watching my first ever video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.